right now. We are going to do it. All the work cartel fans that can do half and half 1 year each. The cartel. Just so you can get free.
How much you do for you?
We are 2.
I do more you do here for him?
No, I'm not doing nothing.
You are no cartel fans, man. You are no cartel fans.
Crying because of the cartel matter. Talk to me now, what's happening? You're sad, right?
I am so sad.
Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
Because of Kartel.
But what about him though? What were you expecting to happen today?
Hello?
Charlie, how are your name now?
My name? Gaza.
You want to chill? Alright. Want to chill there?
Social media was buzzing with excitement, and we knew that persons would want to converge upon this location, just to get a glimpse of their artists. Today is a regular court date, and we take the extra precaution to ensure that we create a safe environment for those who seek to transact business upon the courts today without impediment. So that was the main reason for all the extra security that you saw in place.
I take two in it. I mean, what better I get some